In question number 4, it is given that friction on book is acting on right direction. So let's assume that train is moving in right direction and table is also moving in right direction as it is attached to train. But book that is placed on table try to move in left direction, and the friction will oppose relative motion of book and friction will act in right direction. From here we can conclude that train is moving in right direction. In question number 5, the temperature of liquid is fixed and temperature of metal is also fixed. Let assume that Ti1 is temperature initial of metal and Ti2 is temperature initial of liquid. There would be delta T1 change in temperature of metal and delta T2 change in temperature of liquid, and both will reach to temperature T. The temperature T would be highest for that metal as temperature is decreasing in metal because temperature flow from high to low, so delta T would be minimum, so temperature T final would be highest for metal. In question 6th, as light is refracting through a thin layer from denser medium to rarer medium, so first it is given in question that light is getting TIR. So we can write equation mu1 sin I1 equal to mu2 sin I2, where mu1 is mu of denser medium and mu2 is mu of rarer medium, and sin I1 is angle of incidence and sin I2 is angle of refraction. So from here, as we know that mu1 sin let's for option mu1 sin I1 equal to mu2 sin I2 equal to mu3 sin I3, where mu2 sin I2 would be for inner middle layer and mu3 sin I3 would be for outer medium. So from here, if we if we remove mu2 sin I2, it is directly that mu1 sin I1 equal to mu3 sin I3, so option 4 will be correct. In question number 7th, it is given that after time t1 by 4f, we have to find the position of marker. So after t1 by 4f, wave will shift 1 by 4th rightward. So by tracing the wave, we can conclude that my marker would shift to position C. In question number 9th, we know that when bicycle will ride downwards, speed will continuously increase as it is accelerating, so speed would be maximum at the point that is bottom of hill. In question number 10th, as we know that copper is good conductor of heat and wood is bad in good insulator of heat, so wood will burn and paper will turn brown inside of copper.